Do you know that you can actually get to your monetization threshold very fast? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to grow your channel fast, beginners friendly. So if you're someone out there that is a beginner and you've not gotten to your monetization level, you're not yet monetized, you can stay glued to the end of this video. All right. The number one fastest way to grow on YouTube as a young YouTuber is getting traffic on your channel. You might be wondering how you're going to get traffic on your channel. One way you can get traffic on your channel is posting trending videos. Now, we cannot overemphasize the power of trending videos, okay? When you see a trend, you jump on it very, very fast. Now, I'm not saying you should not have your own video content, but when you see a trend, jump on that trend very fast. I've seen a lot of channels that blow up just because of trending videos. Now, because I said you should jump on a trend you see on YouTube, doesn't mean you should jump on a trend that is not in your niche. Now, let me tell you what it's going to do to your channel if you drop on a trend that is not in your niche. People that are going to watch that video, okay, will not stay glued on your channel. Even if they subscribe to your channel, they are not going to watch videos on that channel because it is a different video entirely. But if it's a trend that is on your niche, it is very good because once it drags people to your channel, they watch your videos, they are going to always come back to watch your content because it was that same niche that first of all brought them to your channel. So don't jump on any trend that is not on your niche because your channel is going to suffer greatly for it. Now, number two way you can grow your channel very fast, beginner friendly, is copying a YouTuber. Yes, I copied a YouTuber that made me monetize today within the space of 1 month. Now, get a YouTuber that is in your niche that you can copy. Now, when you want to copy this YouTuber, okay, you go for YouTubers that are not very big. Like you can go for a YouTuber that is having like 5,000 subscribers, 3,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, or even 1,000 subscribers. Now, when you see those people with that amount of subscribers and their videos is doing great, you should know that they are not getting visibility because they have high subscribers. Do you understand? You should know that they are getting visibility because of what they are doing on their channel. All right. So when you want to copy that YouTuber, all right, you can get a thumbnail idea. Before you design your own thumbnail, come on YouTube, search for that video title that you've made, and you're going to see a lot of videos pop up. Check for videos that are doing well from those YouTubers that have those amount of subscribers I mentioned, okay? Check on their videos, check on the thumbnail. You can recreate thumbnail that look like theirs, all right? Another thing you should also do is check their hashtag. There are ways you can check for a video hashtag. If you want me to make a video on that, just let me know and I'm going to make a video on that, on how you can get hashtag from any video you see here on YouTube. Get that hashtag, put that hashtag on your own video, and you're going to see when you publish that video is going to get visibility also because you recreated the thumbnail, make that thumbnail to be catchy. All right. Now, I'm not saying you should not create your own thumbnail because at times you can create a thumbnail and to you, that thumbnail look so catchy. All right. I've also done that. I created a thumbnail and I was like, wow, this thumbnail is mad. Anybody that sees this thumbnail is going to click on it. But yet, I did not get any click on that video. Number three ways that you can grow very fast on YouTube as a beginner is re-editing your video after upload. Now, what I mean by this is, after you've uploaded your video and you see that it is not getting the views that you need, you have to re-edit that video, okay? You have to re-edit that video. I have also done that before. This is my video here that is having 270 views. When I uploaded that video, the views was not up to 100 views and I was not happy about it. So what I did, I had to recreate the thumbnail. I changed the message on my description box and I also changed my hashtags. After doing all of this, that was when the video grew to 270 views. Now, the fourth thing you should do is remain consistent in your posting. Like I always say this, being consistent. Now, being consistent does not mean that you should be posting your videos every day. But as a new YouTuber, you should post your videos every day and check the one that work for you. If you post your videos every day and you're not getting the views, try another way. You can post your video 3 times in a week. Now, when you get the exact time to post, Be consistent on that timing, because if you stop being consistent with that timing, believe me, the algorithm is going to forget you. And I myself, I am presently suffering from that. When I started this channel newly, okay, I posted my videos every day and it picked up. I was able to get my 4,000 watch hour. After I got my 4,000 watch hour, I applied for monetization and monetization was not coming forth. Because of that, I relented. I did not post a video for up to a week, because I was saying I don't want to post the video and I get views and the thing just wastes. It's not turning into watch hour, it's not turning into money. All right. So I did not post any video. When I noticed I had an issue, I had to advise myself to post a video. And by then it was already up to a week. All right. And when I posted a video, I noticed the algorithm left me. YouTube algorithm forgot me just for a week of not posting on my channel. And that's what I am presently struggling with right now, on how to rebuild myself again. So be consistent in your posting. That is another way you can grow very fast as a newbie on YouTube. If you've watched this video to this extent, do me well to subscribe to this channel, click on your bell notification so that whenever we post a video, you will be updated. All right. Drop a comment in the comment section if you found this video helpful, and also we can also grow together on this channel. If you've not gotten your 1,000 subscribers, you can connect yourself together in the comment section. See you next time on my next video. Bye bye.